Alright, just go to side view 3 on the numpad. Let's delete the cube. Let's add a cylinder, Shift A, mesh cylinder. Let's tab into edit mode. Let's go up close. Let's scale this down, SZ.2, enter. Let's go to top view 7 on the numpad. Let's scale this in on the x-axis, SX.85, enter. Let's go back to side view. Let's go into wireframe view Z4. Let's go into edge select 2 on the keyboard. Select these edges and extrude them up, E.5, enter. Let's go to top view 7 and then let's scale this out, S1.5, enter, and then just let's scale it out again on the x-axis, SX, so it's a perfect circle here. Let's go back to side view 3 and let's rotate this, R9, enter. Let's give it a bevel, hold down control, press B and drag. The bevel box is down here, click on here, and then you can increase the segments from 1 to 3. Press 1 on the keyboard to go to vertex select these vertices and extrude them like this. Let's press 3 to go to face select, 3 on the keyboard, select these faces. Let's press P, separate by selection. Let's press tab to go into object mode. Select this part, press tab to go back into edit mode. Let's go to top view 7 on the numpad. Let's select these, the left faces and delete faces. Let's give this a mirror modifier. And there it's mirrored. Let's go back to side view 3 on the numpad. Let's bring up the knife tool, press K. The cursor turns into a knife. Click over here and then just drag it over to about here and click, press enter. Press C to bring up circle select. Select these faces and delete faces. Let's go into material preview. Let's tab into object mode and let's right click and shade auto smooth. Let's select this part and then again right click shade auto smooth. With this selected, let's just go here to material properties. Click on here, new, base color, just drag this down and make black, and then go down here to roughness and change the roughness to 0.85. Select this part, new, base color, drag it down and make black. Change the roughness on this one to 0.25. Let's select this part and tab into edit mode. Go into wireframe view Z4. We're in face select these faces and duplicate them. Shift D, left click, and let's bring this up, GZ, bring it up here. Let's scale it down on the Z axis, SZ, like this. Let's press P to separate by selection. Let's press tab to go into object mode. Select this part and then press tab and go back into edit mode. Press A. Select these faces here and delete them. Delete faces. Let's press A. Let's bring this down, GZ, bring it down to here. Scale it up a little bit. Let's tab into object mode. We're going to add a cylinder, Shift A, mesh cylinder. Let's isolate it. You just press /. Let's tab into edit mode. Let's scale it down, SZ. Scale it down to about here. Let's press 2 on the keyboard to go to edge select. Put the cursor here. Hold down Alt, left click, that selects this edge. Let's give it a bevel. Hold down Control, press B, and then drag, and it bevels it. Go to side view here, press A. I'm going to append, I'm going to go in object mode, and I'm going to append in a material. And I might leave a link for the material in the description. It's a chrome color. Press / to bring everything back. Alright, let's just tab into edit mode and go to top view 7. Let's go into wireframe view again, Z4. We're just going to rotate this RY90. Enter. Let's scale it down to here. Let's move it over on the x-axis, GX. Just move it over to here. Let's give it a mirror modifier. Let's go back into material preview. For that, let's tab into object mode. We just have to select the strap here and give it a new material. Go up here, plus, new, base color. I'm just going to give it a yellow orange. Tab into edit mode, and then just click on assign. Alright, we're going to add the badge. We're going to use images as planes, which is an add-on. And if you don't have it, just go up here, edit, and preferences, and then in add-ons, go up here and search for plane, PLANE. You'll see this import images as planes. Just put the check there and you'll have it. Shift A, images as planes. The link is in the description for the police badge. And bring it up. We're just going to scale it down, S.75, enter. And let's just move it, G. Move it up to here and then just rotate it so it's at the same angle as the front of the hat here. And there it is. Render it out. And here's the render.